1.
Hello, my name is John Thomas from IC Store Innovations, and I'm here to explain how to properly mount and adjust your new Apex suction cup system. When you get your box, there'll be 2 units inside this one box. One will be adjusted as you look at it to your left, and the other will be adjusted as you look at it to your right. You'll have to adjust one or the other depending on how you're going to mount it on your door. So if you're going to put it on the hinge, the Apex is adjusted as you look at it to the right. And we'll have to adjust the other one accordingly. To mount the Apex, loosen your suction cup, position it on the door where you'd like it, put your finger in the center of the suction cup, push it on, tighten until you hear it clicks. Make sure you're adjusted in the middle, push it on. We're going to leave this suction cup off for now, and you'll see why in a second. Also in the box comes a set of instructions if you need them, or you can use this video obviously, and a little nut driver. To adjust your second suction cup system to fit with this one, you'll need to take your nut driver and turn it over, and you'll see a plastic nut. Using your nut driver, you'll turn and release that nut, take your cup off, adjust it to face to the right like your original unit, slap it back in those little slots using the nut driver. Tighten it down. You'll do the same with each of the other 4 cups. Don't over tighten or you'll break that plastic nut.
2, go.
Once you have your cup holders all oriented the proper way, you're now ready to mount this second unit on the door. Remove that first suction cup, make sure it's solid. Remove the suction cup from your second unit completely. Place it over the top of the first. Tighten down, make sure you're oriented or you're square to the world. Tighten down ever so slightly. Remove that cup. Finger in the middle, push down hard. Tighten down. Now your system's installed properly. The last thing you need to do, insert your piece of point of sale. There's a slot on the back. And then load it up with your favorite cold beverage. That's it to the installation. Thank you. And enjoy your new Apex system.